Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2003 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is digital circuit. The output of 74 series TTL gates is taken from a BJT in A. Totem pole and common collector configuration, B. Either totem pole or open collector configuration, C. Common base configuration, D. Common collector configuration. So, how the output of 74 series TTL gates is going to be taken from the output BJT. So, the right answer for this question is B. B is going to be the right answer. So, the output either it may be in the totem pole configuration or it in the open collector configuration. 74 series, okay, TTL gates. TTL is going to be the TTL is called as transistor logic. TTL implies nothing but transistor logic. Transistor logic, which is going to the most successful logic family in the past. Nowadays CMOS logic families are going to be dominating. TTL logic family is the most successful in the previous generation. Now also the TTL logic gates are going to be used in the laboratories while you are performing the uh, digital IC applications lab. Okay. Now if you are going to check about 74 series, there are two series, 54 and 74. 54 implies nothing but it is military purpose, whereas 74 is nothing but general purpose. Okay, and out of that one, the this is going to be, the configuration is going to be same whether it is 74 or 54. So this is a simple 3 input TTL logic gate, and the basic logic gate in the TTL is NAND gate. The basic gate of TTL, basic gate, basic gate implemented in TTL is NAND gate. NAND gate. So this is a 3 input TTL NAND gate driving the similar TTL gates. So you can check, you can look at only up to this point. This is the dotted line presented, dotted vertical line. Before that one, this C0 is also given with dotted lines, that is nothing but it is parasitic value. So no need to consider this one. So no need to consider this C0. Now this is what TTL gate, TTL NAND gate, and this is what output circuit. Okay, this branch is going to be treated as output branch. That is nothing but this is going to be a branch from where you are taking the output. It is a simple NAND gate, but this branch can be left open like this. The same T3 what you are going with is nothing but the T3 can be connected in this way. Okay, it is connected to ground, and the collector of this one, previously it was connected to a resistor RC3 of 4 kilo ohms, but it can be left open. So here itself you are saying it as V0. There is no resistor connected above, so it is going to be collector of T3, collector of T3 left open, collector of T3 transistor is left open, left open. It is not connected to VCC through a resistor as it is seen in the basic diagram. So by that time this configuration is going to be called as open collector configuration. Okay, the remaining circuitry is going to be exactly same, only that output branch in that one, if you are removing that RC3, if you remove that RC3, by that time it is called as open collector. Okay, TTL configuration, open collector TTL configuration. Okay, mainly this open collector is going to be used to perform wired logic operation, wired logic operations. This will be used, open collector is going to be used to perform wired logic operations, whereas the other version is nothing but totem pole version. Okay, totem pole version implies nothing but output side you will have a two transistors like this, and it is connected with a diode, and where you are going to be taking output V0, and it is connected with a transistor in this way. This is T3 and this transistor is T4, and it is connected to plus VCC. So this is totem pole configuration, totem pole configuration, totem pole TTL configuration. So here instead of resistor we are using a active load. Active load is nothing but the resistor is replaced with a transistor. Okay, here this is going to be used to pull the output voltage V0 towards the VCC, and this is extra diode is going to be used for the safety purpose to ensure that when it is properly it will be properly off. The T4 transistor will be properly in the off condition whenever T3 is in the on condition. To specify that one, the diode is going to be taken place over here. The diode functionality is nothing but to ensure the proper operation. That is nothing but whenever T3 is on, T4 must be off. Whenever T4 is on, T3 must be off. That is what the operation of totem pole TTL. So you can take the outputs. Okay, the TTL can be available in two versions. One is nothing but output of TTL may be in the open collector TTL version, that will be mainly used for the wide logic to perform wide logic operations, and the second one is nothing but output may be available in the totem pole TTL, that is nothing but with active load instead of passive resistor. Okay, instead of RC3 here it is, this is going to be called as passive load. Okay, so with the help of this resistor you are connecting this node towards VCC. So instead of that passive resistor, here we are going with a transistor, so this is going to be called as active load, active load. So the right option for this one, the output of TTL gates is taken from a BJT either in totem pole configuration or in open collector configuration. The right option for this one is B. Thank you.